Hi guys, welcome back to TJ's Beauty Bag. I am TJ, you're a curvy chick, and today what I have is my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing and my regular Ipsy Glam Bag unboxing. If you don't know, Ipsy is a monthly beauty subscription service that has two different levels, and you can do one level or you can do both of them like I do. So the first one is a $10 a month subscription in which you get, I believe it is 5 to 6 sample or deluxe samples. The difference being a regular sample is a one-time use or application, and a deluxe is 3 or more uses or applications. And again, that is $10 a month. And I really love it because I've been able to try new products and new companies that I didn't know existed, honestly, or things that I've been wanting to try but really didn't want to spend the money for a full size, just in case I didn't love it. Now, the second level or second tier of their subscription service that you can try is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. And what that is, it is a $25 a month subscription that gives you 5 to 6 full-size products, which is really awesome. My first Glam Bag Plus was last month, and I was blown away by what was in that box. I loved it. So this month, I found out that Ipsy did a collaboration with Tetris, like the video game Tetris, because it's their 35th anniversary, which makes me feel really old. So anyhow, it was a game that I love to play, and I think that this is a really cute idea that they did, and let's just dive right in so we can see what we've got, okay? So I'm going to start out with the Glam Bag Plus because, you know, I like the big boxes, so I'll do that one first. So we open it up, and this is what it looks like on the inside. Now, I did do some add-ons, and let me tell you about Ipsy's add-ons. Each month on the second of the month, you are able to add up to 3 items to your Glam Bag or your Glam Bag Plus or both. So if you get both of these like me, you can get up to 6 extra items between the two. So full-size products would be $12, and deluxe size samples would be $3. So I did a full size and a deluxe sample for my Glam Bag Plus. So let's go ahead and get into this. So each month you'll get a little fold out card like this that gives you all of the information and the MSRP of each and every item in your bag. So, all right, let's get started here. So the first thing I see, which is something that I'm seriously excited about, is the Sunday Riley CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream. This is a huge amount of product. It's 1.7 ounces. And this is amazing. This is one of the, I got a sample of this a couple of months ago, and this felt so good on the skin. It gave me so much moisture and hydration on my skin. I absolutely loved it. And this is a $65 value. And right off the bat, that automatically pays for this box more than twice over. So again, as I said, this is a moisturizing cream by Sunday Riley, which some of their stuff, it can be pretty pricey. And if I can ever get this little tab up, I will show you what this cream looks like. So this is what it looks like. It is a very rich cream, and it smells like citrus, kind of like oranges, and so it's just got a lovely light smell to it, and it feels really great on the skin. And this is something that I probably would have bought for myself. However, there's always other moisturizers and things that are a little bit cheaper, so I try to spend my money and get the most bang for my buck. So having this in this box is awesome. So that's the first thing. Now next we have the, and I hope I'm saying this right, this is the Jolie Luxe Cream Mattes. This is a trio of matte liquid lipsticks. So let's open them up, and we'll go to our card and take a look at what the value is. I believe, yes, this is a $54 value. So right away, that's a huge amount of money that we've already gotten from 2 items. We're talking well over $100. So we have 3 colors here. So we have this first one, and these are like a frosted glass look to them. And I cannot see what this is, what the name of it is. Let's see. Oh, it says Shake Well in the card. So we'll shake well. So we have Scuro, Lila, and Amore. Okay. So let's swatch these out. So this one is a really pretty kind of lilac color. Let's swatch that out. And we've got just a regular doe foot applicator there. And this is what that color looks like. I believe this is the Lila. That's really pretty. I like that. And this one, this dark one is, it's really hard to see, the Scuro. I hope I said that right. Okay, and again, a doe foot applicator. And this is a deep purple. Oh, I love that. Those two shades together would make a beautiful ombre lip. And again, these do dry down to matte. And then Amore is this wonderful red. Like, this is a screaming red color. Oh, wow. That is pretty. So we've got 3 matte lipsticks in gorgeous shades. You can do so many different things with those right off the bat. I really love this. I'm very happy with this. This is probably going to be one of my favorite boxes ever. I'm getting that feeling. So let's see what we have next. Next we have the Suva Beauty Hydra Liner in the shade Grease. And this is a set, and this sells for $26. So first we have the brush, and again, this is an eyeliner. And what you have to do, this is a cake liner. So you will need to actually wet the brush a little bit and then dip it into the pan here. So it comes like this. We've got that little brush. And I want to show you just how fine this brush is. If you can see that, that is incredibly fine. So here's the little pot of product. And as you can see, this looks pretty dry. And so you would just, yeah, you can't even see anything on there. So you would just wet the tip of the brush just a little bit, and you would dip down in here and just kind of go back and forth for a moment and get that onto the brush. And a tip with these kind of liners is after you've finished using it, don't seal it up right away. Don't leave it wet. Allow it to air dry so that keeps the product the way it's supposed to be. It doesn't change the consistency. So you definitely want this to stay dry after you've used it. So just leave it open for a few minutes and let it dry up. So again, this sells for $26. And I'm kind of excited about that because it's been a while since I've used a cake liner. But I do love that you get the brush and everything together for the $26. And that is a super fine brush. So you'll be able to get great lines and a great cat eye. So perfect. All right. So the next thing we have in here is the Pixie by Petra Lash Lift 188. And this sells for $18. And so here we are. If you can see that. Now I took the plastic off of this, so while we were waiting. So we have this wand. This is the regular wand, and I'll show you that it does give you a nice fine, you can just barely see that. So this is obviously a buildable mascara, definitely buildable. But it also seems to have a second part, so let's take that. Wow. We have this super fine wand. So this is a dual wand mascara, and this one is going to be great for bottom lashes. I already know it. So I am really excited about this. I love to have a nice dramatic lash most of the time, but more than anything, I like for them to be defined. My lashes are really scarce and wimpy looking, so a good mascara is pretty much my best friend when I'm not wearing false lashes. And the final thing in the base box here is the Game On Tetris and Ipsy eyeshadow palette. So what they did was they made a series of products with Tetris to celebrate their 35th anniversary. And two of the items are eyeshadow palettes. And this one is called Game On. We get a nice little mirror there. And then we have a 6-pan eyeshadow palette. So let me take this plastic off here. We can get it off. There we go. Okay. So we have Game Changer right here, Game Day, and Game Night. And then we have Stack It Up, Block Party, and Game Over. And Game Over is that really dark blue right there. So let me swatch a couple of these here. And the formula feels really nice. So let's just go ahead and swatch that. So those are the colors. That one is Game Night, this is Game Day, and this one is Game Changer. Okay, and let's do the bottom row here. Okay, Stack It Up, Block Party, and Game Over. I don't know about this one. That Stack It Up is not coming out for me. Okay, so here we go. Now that Game Over, wow, look at that blue. So let's go ahead and swatch that. So here we are, obviously Game Over. And this is Block Party, which is really pretty. And this one is Stack It Up, and that is a matte. So we've got Game Changer and Stack It Up for our mattes. And Game Over is also a matte, that dark one there. That's also a matte. So we've got some really beautiful colors to work with here. And that pop of color with the Game Over, I can see myself using that quite a bit. So let me just wipe these off and I will show you what I got as add-ons. So again, as I said, they had two eyeshadow palettes. So it was Game On and the other one is called Block Party. And I did get that as an add-on for the $12. And these eyeshadow palettes are a $24 value. So let me just show you this one. And it has this cute little Tetris theme on all of them. I know a lot of people said, well, that's kind of like a kid's game or whatever, but you know, remembering my childhood, I really love to play Tetris, so I'm not mad at it. Okay, we'll get that off. And again, we've got the mirror in there, and then we have a 6-pan shadow palette again. So we have Skyline, T-Spin, and Top Out, which is a gorgeous blue. And then we have Back to Back, Line Clear, and High Score. So Back to Back, Line Clear, and High Score. These are really beautiful. I'm so happy with this color scheme here because I'm able to do so much with it. And these last two, I'm just in love with those colors. So I'm not going to swatch them all. I just want you to be able to see what these two look like. That is really pretty, and I'll just put them right here. And that is really gorgeous. Very, very happy with that. So I am really excited about these eyeshadow palettes. These are ones that I hope to use on a regular basis. I just want to try some new stuff, you know. And the final thing that I got as an add-on is another product from Ipsy by Petra, which is, and I actually have this in a full size. This is the what do they call this? The lip plumper gloss, and this is in sheer rose. This is such a beautiful gloss, and it has like a minty feel to it, so it just plumps the lips a little bit. So I'm just gonna put this on. That is pretty, and that's a doe foot applicator, and it does smell just like mint. But it's not a bad smell. It doesn't, you know, have a weird taste or anything on your lips. But I love this sheer rose. It's great for daytime, nighttime, what have you. You could also use this as a topper. I am absolutely in love with this. And again, this is a $3 add-on. And this is exactly half the size of the full size one. So that is a huge, huge deal because the full size is about $18. So that's a pretty good deal. I love it. So let me know if we were box twins this month. Leave me a comment in the comment section below, and I will make sure to link everything here from Ipsy in my description box. Make sure you hit that subscription button and also the notification button so you'll know when I upload new content, and I'll see you in my next video.